Today, we are going to demonstrate how to safely administer an intramuscular injection into the vastus lateralis muscle. The vastus lateralis is a part of the quadriceps group and is located on the anterolateral aspect of the thigh. It's commonly used for intramuscular injections, particularly when the deltoid or gluteal sites are not appropriate. Now, the first and most important step is identifying the correct injection site. Position the patient comfortably with the thigh relaxed. Then imagine a line from the greater trochanter of the femur to the lateral aspect of the knee. You need to divide the area into 3 approximately equal sections. The recommended injection site is the middle third of the vastus lateralis on the anterolateral portion of the thigh. But remember, you need to avoid injecting too high or too low or too far posteriorly. However, before preparing the injection, confirm the medication, dose, route, and patient identity, allergies, and relevant contraindication according to your clinical protocol. You need to perform hand hygiene and prepare the required equipment, and you need to use an appropriate sterile syringe and a needle for the patient's age, body habitus, and medication and local clinical guidelines. Remember to explain the procedure to the patient and obtain consent where required, and position the patient so that the thigh is relaxed. So, let's return our attention to the thigh. You need to palpate the landmark and identify the middle third of the vastus lateralis. The injection should be directed into the substantial muscle mass of the anterolateral thigh. Once the site has been identified, you need to clean the skin using your incision recommended antiseptic technique and allow it to dry. You need to also stabilize the muscles and skin as appropriate for the patient and injection technique being used. Then insert the needle into the muscle using the angle recommended by your clinical protocol. Typically, it's usually 90 degrees for a standard intramuscular injection.